Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General information. Philippine Constitution. What do you call the introductory part of the Constitution? A. Preface. B. Amendments. C. Preamble. D. Bill of Rights. The correct answer is letter C. Preamble. How many senators are there in the Senate? A. 25. B. 24. C. 12. D. 30. The correct answer is letter B. 24. What is the minimum age requirements of a senator? A. 30. B. 25. C. 20. D. 35. The correct answer is letter D. 35. Which of the following bills do not originate from the House of Representatives? A. Appropriation bills. B. Revenue of tariff bills. C. Amnesty. D. Private bills. The correct answer is letter C. Amnesty. The members of the lower house are A. Elected by region and by party list. B. Elected by region and appointed by the president. C. Elected by district and party list. D. Elected by district and appointed by the senators. The correct answer is letter C. Elected by district and party list. Did you get them all right?